Going to the junkyard for parts was starting to get ridiculous. Every time I showed up, they were trying to nickel and dime me for every little piece off the car. So instead of fighting with junkyards, I decided to do something different. I bought an entire parts car for my Maxima. I figured, why not just get a donor car and take everything off that I need? I was actually able to find one that had a rare Elite Maxima package, which made it even more worth it. Now the car definitely wasn't in perfect condition, but once these pieces get cleaned up, it's gonna look way better. So today I started tearing into the parts car. I went through the interior and started pulling everything out that I would need for the swap. Instead of running back and forth to the junkyard 10 times, now I got an entire parts car sitting there. And honestly, pulling parts from your own car is way easier. There's no rushing, no paying extra for little pieces, and not having to worry about if somebody else is gonna pull the parts that you need. So this is everything I pulled from the car today. Now, I can't install any of it just yet, because as you saw earlier, these parts definitely need a serious cleaning. So in the next video, we'll start cleaning these parts up and getting them ready for installation.